Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, the Stock Analyst. This video is about three particular stocks. The first one is XELA, ticker symbol XELA. The next one is ticker symbol ATOS, and the third ticker symbol is NOK, which is Nokia. So I will go over the price action, what's happening, what is expected, at the same time what are the support, resistance, and a full technical analysis. And if you find this video useful, please do not forget to hit the like button. At the same time, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. And by the way, I also have a community on my YouTube. You can always join. It will cost only 10 cents per day, which is roughly $3 per month in Canadian, $3 per month, and you will get member specific post. You can see that I have many posts for the members only, and I talk about the trade ideas, where is the support, where is the resistance, when you should get in, get out, and so more. And each morning I give daily trade ideas, giving you the chart, support, resistance, and when to get in and get out. And first of all, we talked about ATOS today. It was around 6.29. It went up all the way, came back. At the same time, XELA, our favorite XELA, it has been making a lot of money, We alerted around 3.6, we alerted around 4, and so so much, right? You can see that like it was around $4. We talked about it in the morning. We talked anyway. So if you are interested, just join the community and enjoy the ride with us. Anyway, first of all, XELA, a monster move today. At one point, it went all the way to 42, 45% up. It came down, but still it is up 25%. Yeah, after hour, it is down by only 12 cents. I'm not worried at all, but it has a massive day. So you can see that just around 9:30 when the market opened, it started running. It went from 3.6 all the way to 5.29, came down, and now moving sideways, which is really good. And we made a lot of money going up. We are doing swing trade for back to back many days. We get in, get out, we are making money at the same time. I know some people like to hold XELA. They're holding. Definitely a great stock. And why I'm so excited, let's look at the chart. On a daily candle, you can see that the volume, look at the daily volume here. The volume is increasing each and every day, and the price is going higher each and every day. But the thing I want to point out here, that look at the top here. So there's a big long wick here, and the body is here, and it makes sense because today the market was overall red. There was inflation fear, so many things. The overall market was red, so it makes sense. But even after that, XELA is up 25%. Look at the daily RSI. It is really high. It is sitting around 77, but it happened before. It went to 74, came down, again went up, went to 74, came down, and again we are sitting at the same level. So 77 to 80, there might be a pullback. A stock can go each and every day. There might be a pullback, and it might give you another opportunity to get in if you really believe in XELA. Also look at the MACD, how it is going up. I'm going to talk about the price analysis, but before that, let's see something here. Let's see what is the short interest. The short interest is 32%. This is from Fintel. There are other platforms. I found many other numbers, but 32 is really a high number. Look at the all US exchange price volume leader, who is sitting at number one, XELA, with 512 million shares traded today. If you look here, the average volume is 141 million, and today's volume was 512 million share. So almost 4 times. Really exciting, right? Look at the volume. Look at the volume today. Look at today's volume. So in the morning, lots of volume came, the price went up. The volume came down. It makes sense, the price came down. But if you look on a daily level, look what is happening since July 1st. More and more volume is coming, and more volume is pushing the price higher and higher. And it is very interesting, right? So again, a very good one for us, and we have been making a lot of money. So first of all, this is what it is looking like. It might give you a pullback. Don't be surprised because the RSI is at 71. Looks like it might come down, but again, I'm not worried at all. So now I want to show you something. Moving from a daily candle, I'm moving to an hourly candle. You can see the RSI is coming down, the MACD, the blue line is coming down. So there could be a pullback, and it is okay if there is a pullback. but you see the blue line here, this is the overall trend. It goes up, comes down, and it bounces from the blue line here, again goes up, and it is okay if it comes down and touch the blue line again, touch around 3.86, then again bounce off. This is entirely okay. And look at the support and resistance. In my previous videos I talked about the 2.6 support. We held it, then we went to 3.6, we broke it, we broke to 3.86, and then we went all the way to 5.4. But the good thing is we might have found a support around 4.3 area, because you can see on hourly candle 1, 2, 3 candles are sitting right over that. I also want to just draw a line here, because I think this is important. If I draw a line and if I move from 1 hour to a 15-minute, you can see here, I just want to show you that it seems like a bull flag, or you can say bull pennant, because this is the pole of a flag and this is the flag here. So few things can happen, because you see we have only few space left here at the corner. So either it will break out and it will go higher, or it will just fall through. It will break through the 4.3 resistance, it will come down, and maybe it will come down towards 3.86. It can happen, but it is okay. As long we are above the blue line, it is okay. On the other hand, if we break through it, maybe we will hit some resistance around 4.6, and after 4.6 we will hit $5, and then we will see 5.5 and so on. But again, very exciting. We have been making money on this one, and hopefully we will continue making money. So congratulations whoever is subscribed and whoever is a member to my community, and you are getting daily trade ideas, get in, get out, those kind of things. So anyway, very exciting. The next one, is ticker symbol ATOS, and it also had a nice day. It was up 13%, and after hour it is also up 1.7%. And you can see that again from 9:30 when the market started, it has been going up. It came down, then again it's moving sideways, and looks like so far it is good, right? It has been moving sideways, and this is again, we talked about it before in this particular channel, and we are tracking. So look at the daily chart here. First of all, look at the daily RSI. It came to 50 and now it is curling up. Look at the MACD here. The MACD, the blue line is about to curl. So hopefully if the momentum continues, the blue line will go up. It will cross the orange line and you will see fewer red bars, and you will see the bullish momentum here. At the same time, look at the daily chart here. How does it look? It has some resistance around 5.1 area. It was rejected here, it was rejected here. Now we went through this line, and today we bounced off that $5 area. So again, as long we held $5, as long we hold $5, I think this thing will go higher. So I'm going to turn on the lines here, and I'm going to move to an hourly chart so that we can look better. So look at the chart here, the $5, $6. So we came today around $5, $5.1 does not matter, but that was the previous resistance. Now it is acting like a support. So we bounced off that particular line and we hit the resistance around 6.8. Perfectly okay, because 6.8 was the previous resistance here, and at one point it was a support. And do not forget, if something was a prior resistance, it becomes a new support. So what we can see from here, we had a resistance at 6.8. We came down. If the momentum continues and if we can go through 5.8, we can go towards 7.2, 7.25 area, because you see there is a big drop from here. There's a small gap here, right? So I think it will go towards 7.2, 7.3 area, and it might have a resistance after 7.3. We can go around 7.7, then maybe around 8.4, and so on. On the other hand, if it comes down tomorrow, maybe we will come around 5.6, who knows. But again, I just want to draw the line 5.6. Just looking at the candles, you see it was a support, some kind of support here, some kind of resistance here. So who knows if it comes down to 5.6. So anyway, the important lines are 5 and 5.6 on the bottom side. On the upper side, you have 6.8, 7.25, 7.7, and so on. Very exciting. Look at the volume today. The volume was 38 million, whereas the average volume is 28 million. So more volume came today compared to the average volume. And look at the today's volume, more price action. If you look at a daily volume here, you see we had more volume on these days, and now the volume is dying. but today again we had more volume. So if the volume is continuing, I think this thing will move towards $8. So we will see. The other one is Nokia. So on the pre-market brief, I talked about Nokia because they had a nice PR, and I talked about it that it will go higher. So during the day, it was up 10%. After market, it is up 1%. And probably you know the news already because Nokia plans to boost full year guidance on its strong Q2 performance. So that news came in the morning, and we talked about it, and I alerted in my community that Nokia might be a runner today. So not bad. Still, it's a green day. Not bad. Look at the volume. The average volume is 30 million, and today's volume was 112 million. So you see, almost four times more volume came to Nokia today. So definitely not bad. And also, if you look at the news, like they are expecting to provide updated financial guidance on July 29th, and their revenue and so on, right? So I'm not going to cover the news because the news came in the morning, most probably you know. So here I'm going to talk about the daily candle. Look at the RSI is over 70, the MACD is just turning up, and it has some nice run up because if you remember the AMC GME squeeze in February, Nokia also went very high. It went all the way like 9.8, but it came down. But this time it is going up. You see, it's not like a pump and dump. It has been making slow progress, and we had a very important resistance around 5.6. 5.6 was rejected few times, and it was also a resistance before. So this morning it opened over 5.6. It went all the way close to $6, came down, and currently at 5.88. Not looking bad. But if I look at a daily scheme, you can see that above 8 we have 6.6 a resistance, and that resistance will come from 2019 2017, a long area. And also we went all the way to $10 in February. So instead of daily, I'm going to move to hourly now so that you can see a better picture here. So on an hourly candle, look what happened in February. Look what happened in February. 6 is also important, just looking at February even, because it went up. It was resting over 6 for some time, and then boom, it just came down all the way to 5.1. So anyway, it is at 6. It can easily go to 6.6 if the momentum and the volume is continuing. If not, then yeah, it might come down. But the important thing is, as long it is over that 5.6 line, this is good because it might come down and bounced up that 5.6. Look at the hourly volume today. So in the morning, lots of volume came. Then during the day, slight sell off, but no big red candles here. So again, we need to see if there is any big green candles here. And also it was for the PR this morning. Again on July, end of July, they will have another announcement. Then it can again push the price. I forgot to talk about one more thing about ATOS because I talked about these lines, but also this is important to see the $10 and $11 resistance, because these lines are also coming from I think last year, yeah, in 2018, 2017, and they had a split at one point, right? Yeah, they had a split in 2018. So anyway, 9.95 was a resistance in 2017-18 area, and it was acting like a resistance in recent days on 23rd of June. Yeah, so in recent days you see it was rejected. So maybe if it goes to $10, it might be rejected again, but if it goes over 10, then we have 11. Then you can see there is a big gap here to $16. So anyway, it all depends on the volume, but today's volume was nice green, you see. And if there is more green candles, more volume, this thing will again push towards $10. So anyway, so very exciting. XELA, ATOS, I'm betting big on this. And Nokia, I just wanted to give an update. Personally, I'm not playing Nokia today, but ATOS and XELA. And I also just posted a video on MM80. If you want, you can please go and check that particular video. If you find this video useful, please do not forget to hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. At the same time, do not forget to join our community. Thank you again for watching this particular video. Take care and peace.